Hi, amazing math learners. We're doing 9 plus 7, and Raha is going to show us how she thinks about it. Okay, so 9. Is there 9 here?
Yes,
How come?
because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, and then plus 7. Is there 7 here?
Yes,
How come?
because 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so now we have to add these together. So we have to figure out how many in total are here, right? Now, I know you like to think about 5s like this, but can we just put things in the line?
Yeah.
And it's going to be the same amount, right? We're not changing the 9 or the 7, right? Okay. Okay, Raha, so let's take the 9. So there it is, and I'll just make sure it's on a nice line for people. Okay, what are you going to do?
So, I'm gonna take 1 from the 7.
Okay, so you're going to split the 7 into 1 and 6. So there's the 1 and there's 6, and there's like an invisible wall up there, right?
Add it to the 9.
Okay, so 9 plus 1 equals
10,
okay, and then plus 6 more.
16,
Okay, so 10 and 6. So 9 plus 7 equals
16.
awesome. Hello, everyone. Nikki's here. She's going to show us how to do 9 plus 7, but using our fingers, right? So how many fingers are we going to use?
9.
We're going to use 9 fingers, or are we going to put 9 in our head?
9 in our head.
And then we're going to make 7 on our fingers. Okay, so you're going to show them the 7 as we make them, right?
Mhm.
So we're going to put 9 in our head. So we're going to think like this. So there's 9 here, right? 5 and 4. Okay, so 9 in our head, and then
We add 7 more.
with our fingers. So let's show them. So 9, and then we go,
10,
okay, and I'm going to bring one up because there's the 10, right? Okay,
11,
so now we have 2 fingers. Okay,
12,
okay,
13,
there's the 13.
14,
So that's 5 fingers. Okay. How many fingers do we need to go?
15,
Okay, 15.
16.
And then 16.
Mhm.
We have 7 fingers, right? Oh, and look at this. We have 10.
Plus 7, what
Is this a 7 or 6?
Oh.
Because that's 10
Oh yeah, 10 plus 6.
equals.
16.
So 9 plus 7 equals 16. That was amazing.
Thanks.